Here's how to use a gift card on DoorDash. Now, if you want to order DoorDash to get food delivered to your house, you can always use a gift card, whether it's a DoorDash gift card or a Visa gift card. I'll show you how to do it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the DoorDash app here. I'm on my iPhone. You can do the same thing on an Android as well. Now, on here, we're going to tap on Me at the very bottom right. And then let me go back here. From here, we're going to tap on Settings right next to Orders. And this will show you your specific profile. In the settings, we need to scroll down until we get to Account Settings, and we will choose Payments, the second option. From here, you can see if you have a saved Visa gift card, or if you have a debit card or just a regular credit card on there already. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see towards the bottom is Redeem Gift Card. I can tap on that. If you have a gift card that is specific to DoorDash, all you need to do is paste that PIN in here. So it says enter the gift card PIN. So if you got basically a DoorDash credit gifted to you by someone for Christmas, holiday, birthday, whatever, you can enter it in here. And if you go back, it will show you under DoorDash credits your account balance, basically that gift card balance. However, let's say it's a Visa gift card. You can also just tap on credit or debit card here. And from here, all you need to do is enter in that Visa gift card number. So you can enter in the 16-digit number, the expiration date, the CVC on here, and then the zip code as well. And basically just hit save, and that will default to using that gift card as long as you tap default for DashPass subscription. It'll basically default to using that, and you can use that up until all of that gift card has been used, and then it will switch over to whatever credit card or debit card you have on file. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.